Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Osama and I welcome you all to scaria.com. Today we are going to learn about the vascular system and pathologies associated with the vascular system. In this lecture we are going to talk about the arterial disorders, the aneurysms, the venous disorders, the vessel tumors or the tumors of the vascular system, vasculitis syndromes, functional vascular disorders, and hypertension. In arterial disorders, we're going to talk about the arteriosclerosis, types of arteriosclerosis, and atherosclerosis as well. Moving on, we're going to talk about the aneurysms, in which we're going to talk about what aneurysms are, what are the different types of aneurysms, and what is arteriovenous fistula or aneurysm. Next, we're going to talk about the venous disorders as well as vessel tumors. In vessel tumors or the tumors of the vascular system, we are going to talk about benign tumors as well as the malignant tumors of the vascular system. Then we are going to talk about the vasculitis syndromes, in which we're going to talk about the vasculitis syndromes, the different types of the vasculitis syndromes, and we're also going to describe and look into detail of those vasculitis syndromes. We're also going to talk about functional vascular disorders and hypertension. Hypertension, which is also known as blood pressure, and we're also going to talk about the essential hypertension and the secondary hypertension, which is because of some other cause. And we're also going to talk about the malignant hypertension, which is also a very dangerous condition. I hope you're excited to learn more about the vascular system and its pathologies. So please stay tuned to scaria.com for more lectures.